So it's about 3:15 in the morning. Just come out for a cigarette. And here we go. Sirens booting off. I'm at Mykolaiv at the moment. Whole city, they're off everywhere, so there are going to be some missile attacks. I hope he's not here. I ain't finished my fag. I'm used to them now, you know. When I first heard them, my arse went, but I've heard thousands of them now, hundreds, but not thousands, hundreds. Not quiet either, are they? Yeah, we all have a good day. I'm off to do some. I'm having a day off today actually. Just going to see a couple of old mates, and then my age starts coming tomorrow. And I'm off to Kherson, which I'm a bit worried about. Well, worried, but it gets attacked by drones every day. You know, so we shall see. I'll be alright. Been here plenty of times before. Going to see an organisation over there who needs stuff desperately. So, got stuff coming. Let's see what happens. I'll be quiet for a moment. You know, listen. Bloody right. People put up with this every day, and in certain places, where I was last time, these go off, I don't know why they bother putting them on, because they're on all day, mate. Well, not all day, but a lot. So that's it, everyone's alerted to a possible attack. Mykolaiv's been quite lucky really. Well, it wasn't at the start of the war, but at the moment, I don't know, I get a hit a week, I expect. Shall see what the next few days bring. There you go, all finished. Cheers and take it easy.